Hey folks, Shawn Plummer over at the Annuity Expert. In today's video, I'm answering the question, can life insurance replace a pension survivor benefit? The answer is yeah. So, let's say you own a pension and you're getting up to that fork in the road. Hey, do I take the pension lump sum payout or do I take the pension monthly benefit? And you're leaning towards the monthly benefit, which I recommend doing the lump sum, and I'll talk about that later in the video. But let's just say you're heavy on the monthly benefit payout. What the pension is essentially doing is converting your retirement account into an irrevocable stream of income via annuitization. And they're going to have different payouts, right? And you may be looking at your statement and it's going to say, hey, what a single life payout is, what a joint life or survivor benefit payout is, what a life of period certain is, all these different payouts, okay? And the less you're going to get a higher payment if you're only getting a payment on one person versus two people, right? And it's a lingo used in the industry called pension maximization. The idea is instead of taking the pension survivor benefit and covering two lives, you get the higher payout and you fund a life insurance policy. And then when you die, it triggers the life insurance proceeds to go down to the surviving spouse, tax-free in a lump sum. And in that way, yeah, life insurance would be the best option for you to get a higher payout and giving a tax-free lump sum death benefit to your beneficiary, to all your beneficiaries when you pass away. So there's that. For me, I would recommend at a minimum stress testing the pension payout via the monthly benefit compared to rolling over the lump sum pension payout into an IRA annuity with a guaranteed lifetime withdrawal benefit. It has a similar or better outcome than the pension's monthly payout. For whatever reason, the guaranteed lifetime withdrawal benefits on a fixed or fixed index annuity can be higher, and the death benefits already built into the contract. Basically, whatever's left in the account will go down to beneficiaries in a lump sum. You'll be able to earn interest. You're taking control of your money versus keeping it in the employer's control. You have the flexibility of turning the income on and off or cancel it because maybe your house burned down or you got cancer or something like that. Those are things you don't have if you choose the monthly benefit. So yeah, my recommendation, if I were in your shoes, is I would look at what my pension monthly payout would be. Come over to the Annuity Expert, go to our calculators page, Annuity Calculator, plug in your information. If this is paying you a higher income than your pension, then contact us. We can roll over the lump sum payout into an IRA annuity. There's no tax consequences for the rollover. Now you've taken your hard-earned retirement savings, put it in your control versus the employer's control, okay? And then you can start the income whenever you want to start the income, and you get a contractually guaranteed income for the rest of your life, and they're going to be able to earn interest along the way. You're going to be able to leave a lump sum death benefit to your beneficiaries. There's spousal continuance for a spouse, so they can pick up the contract as if you were still alive and continue it. You have the choice of canceling the annuity if you want. There may be some health-related waivers in there that'll allow you to waive surrender charges for a nursing home. There's just all these different bells and whistles that you're going to be able to get. There's bonuses where you get sign-on bonuses for all. I mean, there's all kinds of reasons why you would look at a revocable payment from a guaranteed lifetime withdrawal benefit on a fixed or fixed index annuity than choosing the pension's monthly payout. So if you want to see an apples to apples comparison, come visit us at the Annuity Expert. To reiterate the answer, yes, life insurance can replace a pension survivor benefit. If you want a cheap life insurance policy, come over back to our calculators, go to insurance base, do life insurance, and look, you can come here and you can quote life insurance. Our goal at the Annuity Expert is to get you the best policy at the lowest rate, right? We're trying to get you to save money on your insurance or maximize your dollars for retirement income. So we could do this. Our service is free at no cost to you. And if you got any questions, give us a call. 770-755-1565. We'll leave a link in the description, and we'll talk to you in the next video. See ya.